So in this video, you'll learn how to hide or unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So start by opening the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Home Screen. Under Home Screen, look for Hide Apps on Home and App Screen, and then select it. From here, you can see a list of all the installed apps that you currently have on your device. In order for you to hide an app, you have to start by selecting the app, like that. And once selected, you should see a section forming at the top labeled Hidden Apps. So with every other app that you keep selecting, you can see it being added to this section. And this is what you can use to keep track of the apps that you're hiding on your phone. If you want to unhide an app if you've accidentally selected it, so say for example you've selected camera and it's not the one that you wanted to choose, in order for you to remove it, you can tap on this minus icon on that app option like that, or you can just deselect the app from here and it will be removed from the section. Once you've selected all the apps that you wish to hide on your device, remember to tap on Done to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever you go to the home screen, you'll be able to see all the apps that you've previously hidden have now disappeared from the home screen and from the apps drawer. If you ever want to access these apps, then just open the Settings app. And then you want to navigate to the Apps section. And then from here, you want to scroll through the list of installed apps on your device, look for the app that you want to open and select it, and then just tap on Open and you can start launching the app and start using it on your phone. In order for you to unhide an app, it's fairly simple. Again, just navigate back to your home screen settings and then look for Hide Apps on Home and App Screens and select it. Then come here and tap on this minus icon next to each of the apps that you had previously selected to be hidden. And then once you've deselected all the apps that you want to unhide, just tap on Done to save and apply the changes. And so now any apps that you had previously hidden on the home screen or in the apps drawer, you'll notice have been restored to the home screen or the apps drawer. And so that's how you can hide or unhide apps on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.